The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a moratorium, that is temporary restriction on Yes Bank. The withdrawal limit has been capped at 50,000 rupees. RBI has, in consultation with the central government, superseded the board of directors of Yes Bank Limited for a period of 30 days owing to serious deterioration in the financial position of bank. Prashant Kumar, ex-DMD and CFO of SBI, has been appointed as the administrator. The RBI, in its late-night notice yesterday, said that the financial position of Yes Bank Limited has undergone a steady decline, largely due to the inability of the bank to raise capital to address the potential loan losses and resultant downgrades, triggering invocation of bond covenants by investors and withdrawal of deposits. The bank has also experienced serious governance issues and practices in recent years, which have led to a steady decline of the bank. Meanwhile, panic has spread among the customers who are queuing up outside the Yes Bank branches and ATM machines. Indian stock market indices plunged sharply on Friday morning to hit their lowest levels for the year 2020. At 9:44 a.m., the benchmark BSE Sensex was trading down 1,031.60 points or 2.68% to 37,439.01. While the Nifty 50 fell below the crucial 11,000 mark, trading at 10,956.10, down 312.90 points or 2.78%. The Indian rupee also weakened sharply in early trade, opening down by 61 paise at 73.94 per dollar versus its previous close 73.33. Asian shares took a beating on Friday following another session of the sell-off on Wall Street as disruptions to global business from the coronavirus beyond China worsened, stoking fears of a prolonged world economic slowdown. Besides coronavirus fears, the market were also taken aback by the Reserve Bank of India's action on Yes Bank, India's fifth largest private lender. The Lucknow District Administration on Thursday evening put up hoardings with photos and addresses of 53 anti-CAA protesters at prominent crossings across the city. The hoardings include pictures of Shia cleric Maulana Saif Abbas, retired IPS SR Darapuri, and Congress leader Sadaf Jafar, all of whom were named as accused in the violence that swept the state capital on December 19 last year. Addressing the media, Lucknow District Magistrate Abhishek Prakash said that the hoardings of people who have been identified by the district administration for indulging in violent activities during the protest have been put up across the city. Around 100 such hoardings will be put up at several places, and these will feature the pictures, names and addresses of people. Also, people indulging in violence have been served recovery notices, and if they don't pay for the damages, then their properties will be confiscated. The World Health Organization today warned that coronavirus was spreading 17 times faster outside China, urging the governments across the globe to pull out all the stops to slow the epidemic as it drained color from India's holy festivities, closed Bethlehem's Nativity Church and blocked Italians from visiting elderly relatives in nursing homes. WHO Director General said in Geneva that this is not a drill, this is not a time to giving up, this is not a time for excuses, and this is a time for pulling out all the stops. In Italy, the epicenter of Europe's outbreak, workers in latex gloves pinned close notices on school gates enforcing a 10-day shutdown of the education system. Italy's sports-mad fans are also barred from stadiums until April 3. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on Friday warned about the imminent danger India faces from the trinity of social disharmony, economic slowdown and a global health epidemic, saying that the combination may not only rupture the soul of India but also diminish our global standing as an economic and democratic power in the world. In an opinion piece for The Hindu, Singh referred to Delhi riots, blaming unruly sections of our society, including political class, for stoking communal tensions and fanning flames for religious intolerance. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has again fallen short of a parliamentary majority, with his hardline allies Final election results confirmed Thursday, extending the country's year-old political deadlock and weakening the long-time leader as he prepares to go on a trial for corruption charges. The embattled Netanyahu had been looking for a decisive victory in Monday's vote, and initial exit polls had indicated that his Likud party and smaller religious and nationalist allies had captured 60 seats, just one short of a majority required to form a new government.